PVR story begins in 1964. We have been among the first in the world to manufacture oil-sealed rotary vane vacuum pumps, and after half a century we are facing the challenges of the market with the same passion and dedication. We think and plan our pumps using last-generation instruments and taking advantage of the experience we gained from the international markets. We pay particular attention to the manufacturing processes, aware of the support of technology but convinced that working as a team on the same clear goals could really make a difference. For this reason, we train qualified and specialized technicians who are part and parcel of the company and are proud to represent the memorable brand. Being customer-focused has always been our priority. The quality of our products and processes is certified by a series of accurate and planned controls and allows us to manufacture more than 9,000 pumps per year, with an annual failure rate lower than 1.5%. Through our widespread distribution network, our products are shipped all over the world every day. The international organization, together with the technical and sales support, make our brand one of the most reliable and prestigious all over the world. We have been working hard with you and for you, but the best is yet to come. PVR Vacuum Design. Provide trusted and advanced technologies.